Okay. This is like a greenhouse. It's 15 long, 7 foot wide, and it's got the metal poles and the metal bottom, whole metal frame. I believe it's about 7 foot tall in the middle, and I'm 6'5", so a lot of them's like the John Scobic chicken tractors, and they seem quite tall enough. But anyway, these chickens have actually, these were more feathered out in the brooder than the chickens up on the hill over there. So these have been on grass for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These have been on grass for a whole week, and I'll show you yesterday's. I dumped the feed out on the ground yesterday. Did have one die last night, but here's yesterday's. That was the day before, day before, day before, and then straight John ways just afterwards. But and I did confirm that it is. This is the last. This is the start of week 5, last day of week 4. on all these, there's 74 in here. There was 75 in here starting last week. But these are pretty big birds. They're all they're pretty big. That gives you, everybody's hands are different. Mine are about 8 inches long. But they're weighing around. I feel like you got that one. They're weighing around 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. But yeah, and there's their water system. They got the same bale drinker and just a bucket hooked to the ceiling up there with a 3/8 hole in it, I believe. And then like what they spill out on the ground, the feed, they'll come back through. I just refilled all these. I fill them once, go fill up the bucket of water, come back, and then have to refill the feeders in both tractors. But they'll have all that feed right there on the ground and all that pile they're sitting on. They'll have all that eat and gone. But we've got 103 and 74. So lost a big batch when we first turned them out. It rained great big. I tried to turn them out 2 weeks instead of 3 weeks, but lost 20 something. So that was on my behalf. So, but it's part of farming. You're gonna lose them. So see you next week.